KFBK Traffic Center.
And brought to you by Caltrans and CleanCA.com. And we have basically clean sensors right now. Just a moment ago, I was still showing some red. It refreshed now. Downtown is split 8 minutes on eastbound Cap City. If you're going on out to Roseville, Douglas Boulevard, also 8 minutes. That means they got that accident finally cleared up there. Greenback, downtown Elk Grove, southbound 5, 11 minutes, 10 minutes now on 99. Going to Folsom, 18-minute ride there. Downtown to Woodland at 16 minutes northbound 5, and 9 minutes to Davis from downtown to Mace Boulevard. Clean California and Adopt a Highways teaming up to remove litter, plant trees, and beautify California's highways. You too can adopt a 2-mile stretch, be a part of this initiative. Learn more, start the adoption process today at CleanCA.com. Traffic on the 10 every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Staying ahead of KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Thank you, Dana. And now we've got a look at your KFBK forecast.
Rather cloudy and chilly tonight. We'll reach a nighttime low of 43 to 47. It'll be cool tomorrow with some sunshine. Tomorrow's high 62 to 66. Cool Wednesday with sunshine and patchy clouds. We'll reach a high Wednesday of 63 to 67. I'm Matthew Weathers through Shannon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Alrighty, we've got 60 degrees in Sacramento, and Carmichael has 58 degrees. So, this story we've really been working on today. This is about the 3 power companies that have submitted a joint proposal to the state's PUC to simplify electricity bills, which they have to do under a new law, to include a fixed-rate billing system based on household income. So,
oh, these glasses are great. The sun doesn't bother me that much.